Lot to celebrate.
Come on now.
And
Come on. 9 o'clock. Come on.
You're
come on.
inside, so it doesn't matter.
Oh,
what's going
yes.
on
I know
out the
Kellyanne
way.
was asking, is the concert outside? No, it's inside. Once the rodeo's done, the stage comes from above, where it comes down.
Somebody's
And
a
it's
fan.
on.
Yeah, well, and I was asking that too because I know a lot of people want to go to these concerts, and we have rain in the forecast, which
Yes.
I know we need, but you know, for outdoor plans, it's kind of like, okay, what's happening here? So good news is that the concerts are indoors, so we don't have to really worry about that. Okay, so getting you out the door this morning, if you step outside, you're going to notice it's a little bit cooler than this time yesterday. Many of us about 5 to nearly 10 degrees cooler than this time yesterday. So it's not a huge difference, but it does make a difference. We're down to 66 in Beeville, 70 degrees in Sinton and in Robstown, 68 degrees in Freer, upper 60s for Rockport, and 71 degrees in Port A. Now this afternoon, you're definitely going to notice the cooler conditions. Our temperatures this afternoon topping out in the middle 70s all across the board. Winds will pick up at about 10 to 20 miles per hour out of the northeast, so keeping that cooler air around. And it's all thanks to this front that is now down to the south. This front will stall out in South Texas, and that will help to keep our cloud cover around and our rain chances elevated for the day ahead. Now, early this morning, we were tracking some showers moving through Beeville. Most of that is now beginning to push towards Goliad. So many of us right now are dry, 1 or 2 showers possible this morning, then looking ahead to the afternoon and evening, up to a 20% coverage of rainfall. So just expect some showers throughout the day. It's not going to ruin a lot of those outdoor plans. However, just some passing showers, cloudy and mild. Then tonight, we're going to be tracking more rainfall. So early tomorrow morning, 1, 2 o'clock, we'll get some showers and thunderstorms pushing into our western counties, pushing across from west to east throughout the early morning hours. Then by this time tomorrow, most of that activity should be offshore. Friday afternoon, late morning, early afternoon, we'll get another round of rain developing up to about a 30% coverage at times. A mix of sun and clouds, temperatures warming back up into the 80s. Then Friday evening, we have another piece of energy, a shortwave trough that will help to produce some showers and thunderstorms in Mexico and Laredo that will push into our brush country locations around 7, 8 o'clock tomorrow evening. We'll be tracking scattered rain and scattered thunderstorms throughout the evening hours by 10 o'clock, hitting our central and our coastal locations, pushing offshore right around midnight on Saturday, but we'll still have a couple of lingering showers in the mix for Saturday morning and early afternoon. Now, until about 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, the Storm Prediction Center has placed much of the coastal bend underneath an isolated severe weather threat. If anything does turn severe tomorrow morning, it would most likely be due to hail. Then tomorrow evening, those showers and thunderstorms we were just talking about, that's highlighted by the Weather Prediction Center for the potential of some localized flooding. Right now, we're not in a severe weather risk for Friday evening, but that could change. But with all the heavy rainfall that's expected, some localized flooding can't be ruled out. There's going to be a low that develops, and that's going to pretty much pull away from the coastal bend Saturday afternoon and evening. High pressure will settle in on Sunday for Mother's Day, so the rain clears out for Mother's Day, but it's going to be hot. So Saturday, about a 20% coverage of rain. And then on Mother's Day, on Sunday, mostly sunny, 92, and we'll continue the heat going into next week.